After a while, watching different people losing bolts and nuts in the cars, at home, at work, or varieties of places, I've discovered people don't get it right, which is so painful to me. And I felt that let me just give you the tips on how to loosen the bolts and nuts. In one situation or the other, we all have to deal with bolts and nuts. Could be at home, at work, or in our cars. In the cars, could be in the knuckles, silencers, etc. Car oversize the usage of bolts and nuts, so I decided to give a tip relating to bolts and nuts. Tip 1. In case you're loosening your bolt and nuts, always loosen slack the nuts. The greater force should be used in turning the nut, while the spanner at the bolt should act as a steady force. Emphasizing on the fact that you should use a wrench to hold the bolt steady while you turn the nut. You only turn the nut and not the bolt. The wrench or the spanner at a bolt just act as a steady force while you turn the nut for slackening on this. Tip 2. Apply penetrating oil to the bolts and nuts by placing them. The penetrating oil has a very low viscosity that lets it quickly penetrate grooves and balls located in one unit of the cap. It can be used to free rusted mechanical parts so that it can be removed because it can penetrate into the narrow space between the threads to parts. Thank you for watching. My name is Adewoye. I'm a blog. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel.